Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging It channel. Today for this video I will be explaining you or guiding you through the process of how you can use Clubhouse application. Now first of all, of course you need to install the application on your mobile device. Once you install the application, you need to get your account created. For that, you just need to type in your phone number. You will receive a code and then you provide few details about yourself. Then once you have provided all it, you will be required to have the invites to get into your account. For that, you can ask your friends or any other person to get an invite for the Clubhouse. Open the Clubhouse. This is the main hallway or the home page where you can see all the clubs that are currently inactive. If you want to join any club, you just need to tap open it and you will be able to join the chat rooms right away. Now here, if you tap on the search button on the top, you can find people and clubs that you're interested to do or you want to join them. Going back, you can see the mail icon. Here you can invite your friends to join the Clubhouse with you. You can see the calendar icon here. If you tap on it, the Clubhouse calendar shows you a list of upcoming events or rooms. Anyone can add a new room or event to this calendar. And if you tap on the notification bell, you will get notified when the event will occur. And you will get notified right after the event started. And then you can just join the chat room. You can also add your very own upcoming events by providing event name and your name. You can also add few co-host, guest, date, time and description of the Clubhouse or the chat room that you are gonna host. By providing all the detail, you tap on publish and your own chat room will be scheduled for you. Cancel. I'm gonna go back. Here you can see the notification bell. You just get notified for the invite to join on to the club room, or if someone follows you, you will get notified through here. Now you can see the option of start a room. You click on it. Now you will be prompted to choose from three types of room, that is open, social and closed. An open room is to everyone on the platform, whereas social room is only for people that follow you, and the closed room are for those people whom you're gonna invite for the chat rooms. You can choose the option that is appropriate. Then you need to add in a topic. You simply need to provide the topic and then you need to choose people or search for the people you want to add. Now once you've done that, and with that you will start the event of your own private chat rooms from here. This is overall guidance of how you can use the Clubhouse for yourself. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging It channel and also don't forget to click on the bell icon for the notification and updates. Thank you.